Hello guys, we are right in front of the Punjakari shop. I think people in Trivandrum should be very familiar with this place because you get some amazing delicacies here. The food here is to die for. If you are really looking for something which is Kerala's own traditionally cooked Nadan taste, you have to come here because yes, it's a toddy shop. We call it Kallu here. Which is alcoholic, which is a light alcoholic drink. It's not alcoholic as such, but yes, it has a little bit of alcoholic content in that. But people come here for the food because it's pretty famous out here. You get beautiful squid here, you get lovely duck, which is delicious, you get crab and all kinds of fish, and the pork here is nice. But right now, we feel like having kappa and beef, which is tapioca, which is cooked in the royal Kerala style, which actually tastes really well. And the beef here is like wow, man. I can't put that to words, but I think we'll show you. We'll order beef and we'll order kappa and we'll taste it. Along with maybe we'll also buy a bottle of toddy because it goes well with this. It activates your taste buds, and who doesn't like to activate their taste buds, right? So let's dig in. Chalo, ajao. So we all know it's a COVID-19 phase that we are running in. So what's written here is parcel matram, samuhika agalam palika. Basically means you only get parcel at this point of time. You can't actually dine in or come here, sit and have food. And also maintain social distancing. That means at a time only one person is allowed in to buy the parcel, buy the food and buy the toddy, and I can take it home. Or maybe you can, the landscape here is pretty beautiful. You can sit somewhere here and enjoy that. So, നമസ്കാരം.
നമസ്കാരം.
എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട് ഇപ്പോൾ ഈ ഒരു കോവിഡ് സമയത്തൊക്കെയുള്ള കച്ചവടമൊക്കെ?
ബിസിനസ് കുറവാണ്, പക്ഷെ ആൾ കുറവാണ്. പിന്നെ പാഴ്സൽ മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ.
എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നു എല്ലാ ഫുഡ് ഐറ്റംസും ഇവിടെ ഇപ്പോൾ ഇല്ലാന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു.
ഇല്ല, ഇപ്പം കപ്പയും ബീഫും മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ.
So what he is saying is, since it's a COVID lockdown phase which is going on, not many takers are here, but still they're having beef and they're having kappa. So basically they're not having the fish items, they're not having their duck, they're not having their pork, beef, duck ഒന്നും ഈ സമയത്തില്ല അല്ലേ?
ഒന്നുമില്ല.
So no, this is maybe not at the ideal time, but we still have something that we can take back and try it. So we have ഒരു കപ്പയും ബീഫും ഒരു കള്ളും. So we just order for one bottle of toddy, which is തെങ്ങിൻ്റെ അല്ലേ? Okay, it's actually coconut toddy, which is actually you get fresh ones here, and we're having that along with kappa and beef. I can't wait. Let's dig in. So the things are here. This is kappa, this is the beef. I just tasted it. Since I saw it, I just digged in. So we'll take it. We can't have it here because of the government rules, which is chalu at this point of time. So a bottle of toddy is 100 rupees and beef curry is $100. And this one, tapioca right here, you get it for $30. So altogether, I think we bought this for $230. I can't wait. We're not taking this home. We'll do one thing. We'll just go. We'll open the boot up. We'll sit there and we'll taste this thing because this is yummylicious. Chalo ji. So here we are. We thought we'll just have it in our car itself. So this is the world famous kappa and beef which you get in Kerala, in Trivandrum, and this is from Punjakari shop, which is one of the most famous one in Trivandrum city. I think this is the most famous toddy shop in Trivandrum city. Okay, so let's taste it. But I think generally what this toddy does is, if you understand what alcohol does, is it elevates your taste buds. It actually activates your taste buds, and you will feel the taste of food even more. So Let's see. I'm not a huge fan of this thing. I generally don't like the taste of how toddy or alcohol tastes like, but I think we'll see how it goes. Like I said, I'm not a huge fan of this alcoholic drink. It's not too alcoholic. It's like a very light drink, but it actually activates your taste buds. And also, by the smell and the feel, we can understand this is pretty fresh. So now let's taste this. I think all the Mallus will know how to eat this. This is tapioca. You take this, you dip it in the beef curry. You take a good, nice, big chunk. Maybe you can break it a little bit just to feel it, and that's it. Oh, it's so nice here. Take a good chunk. Take a good piece, mix it with the tapioca, and just put it in your mouth. Okay. Maybe this is what heavens feel like, yeah. Well, if you're talking about the traditional taste of Kerala, this is as good as it comes. It is as close as the real traditional taste of kappa and beef that you can get in Kerala. And this is one of the best places. So usually there's a good spread here. Usually when you come here, you get a lot of fish. You get crab here, which is pretty famous. You get the squid, which is exquisite. It's really tasty. And it's all cooked in the real Nard and traditional way. So you will have absolutely good fun having that. And you get putta, you get appam, you get idiyappam. All sorts of breads. All the Kerala traditional breads. And everything goes really well. The duck here, it's magical, and you have to really try the pork curry as well. But unfortunately, this is the COVID-19 phase and the shop is closed. Since there are not many takers at this point of time, they are only serving kappa and beef. And this in itself is pure bliss. So, without much ado, let us just try and wrap this up. So, if you guys love this video, I mean, I can only assure you that you won't feel the taste. You have to come and try this. This is truly special. So, I'll just give a rundown of how to reach here. Come to Trivandrum, put Punjakari shop. We'll just type it here in your Google map, and just you'll be straight. There won't be any huge deviations. You won't lose your way. You can come here and you should try all those beautiful delicacies that's available here. It's a beautiful food destination for all foodies, especially if you need to try the real taste of Kerala, the real taste of the fish that you get in Kerala, the way we prepare. Then you should actually come and try this Nard and toddy shops in Kerala. So until we meet next time, we have lined up a few more delicacies, some more places that we should go and try some specialty food. So until we meet next time from another place which serves some beautiful delicacies like this is RJ Vishnu signing off. Peace guys, over and out.